It was good.
I'm glad.
My birthday present. I had a pretty awesome birthday, a nice day.
That's wonderful, Heath. I'm really glad you had a great birthday.
Yeah, here's my new helmet.
Oh, that's so cool.
Samantha's present, my backpack.
Oh, wow. Cool.
All that stuff. Show you my skateboard real quick.
Okay. And I saw you skateboarding today, too. Oh, that's pretty cool. That's what I got you, huh?
Yep. And here's my tool for my skateboard that I can use.
Wow, Heath.
Okay. And I had an awesome birthday. So, thank you.
Love you, Heath.
Love you, Mom.
Do you want a hacky sack, Heath? I'll watch you.
Oh, sure.
You're doing great.